Introducing the OKUMA GENOS M560 Vertical Machining Center, a beautifully designed, cost-effective production powerhouse. Weighing in at over 15,000 pounds, the M560's bridge-style construction gives you more rigidity and stability than any C-frame-style VMC, and that translates into longer tool life, superior accuracy, thermal stability, and faster run times. The Cat 40 Big Plus spindle is the heart of the M560, with its 30 horsepower, 15,000 RPM, and 150 foot-pound of torque. It is the market leader. And because of its intelligent air-oil design and thermal stability, the M560 spindle is rated as a 20,000-hour spindle, double the life of most of the competition. The M560 spindle has the torque needed for a wide variety of applications and thrives on a steady diet of aluminum, steel, and even hard metals. The M560 has a flexible, operator-friendly design. For example, its table moves in the Y-axis to and from the operator for easy loading and unloading of parts, large or small. And while the M560's travels are 40 by 20, its table size is 50 by 22, allowing for a fourth axis to be added without losing much X-axis travel. Another excellent M560 design feature is its 32-tool ATC. It's separated from the machining area, allowing operators to change tools from the front of the machine while the M560 is still cutting. Easy and efficient. The OKUMA control is user-friendly, features an open architecture platform for future upgradability, and allows the machine to run as fast as its rapid traverse rates, where the competition can't keep up. Your OKUMA M560 comes with a single point of contact and responsibility for service, training, and parts. OKUMA's exclusive distribution network. With over 30 locations in North America, there's a distributor office near you. Visit our website to find your local service provider. The OKUMA GENOS M560, the affordable vertical machining center designed with a shop floor in mind. Herb Homemeyer, Bill Davis, and Bill Stockhorst discovered the power and reliability of the OKUMA M560 and put it to work on their shop floors.
Our first M560 is 3 or 4 years old. We haven't changed the spindle yet.
The new machine has through the spindle coolant, so when it's drilling it doesn't have to peck. It just feeds straight through and the coolant washes the chips out.
The machine has the thermal capacity. It has a chiller on it to make sure that the head doesn't grow. You know, it has that, and it runs through the whole body of the machine to keep the machine cool.
4140, hardened H13, sometimes even stainless.
From plastics in them to cutting titanium, and we can run at very high speeds and with a high accuracy.
The first thing we noticed is, again, how rigid it was, how much it could take in comparison. Plus, on top of everything else, you know, it's faster than every other machine out there. Since it is a Windows-based machine, it allows you to do things that you couldn't do on the older styles.
We can bring our controllers up to date.
Now you can put more RAM into the machines.
New OKUMA is delivered on the floor in the morning. It is running by that afternoon. If you can run a mill, you can run a lathe.
It's so much easier for the operator to load his parts, to check his parts, to be able to see a lot better. There's not an operator out there that just doesn't love that machine.
The price on the one we bought 25 years ago was almost exactly the same price as this new one that we just bought 25 years later.
We work well as a team with Hartwig and OKUMA. They're as important as our banker.
I rely on them to take care of a lot of different things.
This is the only 40 by 20 machine that we were going to buy from this point forward.
We could use other styles of machines. We just prefer the OKUMA.
In fact, they would like to get me to trade off some of the older machines to get the M560s in and replace them. But that's on the list down the road.
It's the one machine that's never let us down.